Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing the new Cricut Joy Extra machine. I already have the original Cricut Joy machine and I am so happy to have my hands on this newer version. I also want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video, and now let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Starting off, I'm just going to be unboxing the Cricut Joy Extra from the shipping box that it comes in. Won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it. When I first opened the box, I saw this envelope, which is kind of like a welcome kit. It gives you all the instructions about your machine and how to get started. It also comes with some sample pieces of vinyl so you can get started with your first cuts. My first impression of the machine is that it is absolutely beautiful and it is very compact for smaller projects, but I definitely feel that it's larger than the first Cricut Joy machine. Digging a little farther into the box, I did notice that the machine comes with a Cricut Joy black pen, also with the 2 adapters that you need to plug in your machine. And I almost missed this little guy. It's a small weeder. And now it was time to unwrap it. Once I was done doing that, I'm just opening it, and first thing I noticed is that I had this foam around the blade as well as the back part of the machine, so I'm just going to remove that. The machine already comes with one of these fine point cutting blades, so it is all ready to use as soon as you get the machine. Now let's head on over to Cricut Design Space to set up the machine. If this is your first machine, you will definitely want to download the Cricut Design Space app. I also highly recommend to get the Cricut Access subscription. With the subscription, you can get unlimited use of growing library of beautiful fonts, images, and all sorts of different projects. Now it's going to show you step by step how to successfully set up your machine. Cricut also sent me some extra supplies that I will be using in an upcoming video. And once again, thank you so much, Cricut, for sponsoring today's video. And with all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day, stay safe, and God bless.